Crochet rings can be separate applique or element of any design, like top Flora, published in famous magazine. Link to written pattern of crochet rings and the whole top Flora you can find below. We need a thread weight yarn, hook 1.5 mm and scissors. Take thread, wrap 10 times around your finger or pen or battery. Take the ring off your finger and with the working end of the thread, one slip stitch over the ring. Cover the ring with single crochet tightly. One stitch next to another. Pay attention so that stitches don't overlap. Finish with one slip stitch into the first single crochet. Round 2 and round 3, repeat round 1. So chain 1, work single crochet over the ring tightly. Actually you can cover the ring fully to leave no opening in the middle, to make a berry motif or button. Finish as usual with one slip stitch into the first chain. Fasten off. Make slip stitch, take needle, hide the ends in the stitches. Back and forth. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to share, follow and subscribe to give me a good motivation to keep on with nice videos. Cut. Turn the finished ring wrong side facing you. Happy crocheting!